Hi, I'm Chris Porter and today I'm going to show you how to put on a sleeve on your quilt. They're handy for hanging at home or if you're going to put your quilts into an exhibition. So now I'm going to show you how I put my sleeve on. And to do that, I have to square up the corners of the quilt. So I'm going to place that on the quilt and I'm deciding a measurement so that everything is exactly square. And in this case, I've got 4 1/8 because I want to leave a little bit of wadding on the outside of the quilt so that will fill the binding when I put the binding on. I'll just turn it round so you can see it. And then you haven't got that pesky label thing that you have to put on at the bottom. So it's all in here and no hand sewing.